Welcome to my channel. Flights Assistance A380 comeback. Big updates from Qantas and Lufthansa revealed Qantas completes full A380 reactivation. In December 2025, Qantas welcomed its 10th and final Airbus A380, VH-OQC, named Paul McGinness, back to Sydney after nearly 6 years in storage. This marks the end of its post-pandemic reactivation program, with all 10 aircraft now returned to service after heavy maintenance and full cabin refurbishments. Largest maintenance milestone for Qantas. The return of the final A380 involved the most extensive maintenance check in Qantas' 105-year history, including engineering overhauls, landing gear replacements, and upgraded interiors with more premium seating. Qantas boosts Sydney-Dallas route. From January 1, 2026, the extra A380 enables daily super jumbo operations on Sydney to Dallas, Fort Worth, increasing capacity on this key U.S. route and improving one-stop connections to over 230 American destinations via the American Airlines partnership. Qantas A380 network in 2026. The fleet supports routes including Sydney-Dallas, Los Angeles, London Heathrow, Singapore, Johannesburg, and others. In the first half of 2026, Qantas plans an average of 10 daily A380 departures, considering both ends of routes, up from 8 in 2025. Qantas long-term A380 future. Despite the full comeback, Qantas plans to begin gradually retiring the A380 fleet starting in 2032, transitioning to newer aircraft like the Airbus A380. The type is expected to remain active into the next decade due to strong long-haul demand. Qantas A380 setback. Shortly after reactivation, one of the returned A380s, VH-OQC, was grounded in Los Angeles following wing damage, a snapped slat section, after its first commercial flight in December 2025, highlighting challenges in bringing long-stored aircraft back online. Lufthansa launches A380 business class retrofit. In late January 2026, Lufthansa announced a major cabin upgrade for its 8 A380s, focusing on business class. The program begins in February 2026 at Elbflugzeugwerk in Dresden, with the first aircraft, DAIMC, Mike Charlie, expected back in service by April 2026. New 1-2-1 layout for Lufthansa A380. The retrofit replaces the outdated 2-2-2 business class configuration with a modern 1-2-1 setup using Thompson Vantage XL seats, not the newer Allegri's product. All passengers gain direct aisle access, with wider, longer beds, more privacy, and features like Bluetooth connectivity. Lufthansa reduces business class seats. Business class capacity drops from 78 to 68 seats per aircraft to accommodate the new layout, while first class, 8 seats, premium economy, 52, and economy, 371, remain unchanged, for a total of 499 seats, down from 509. Lufthansa A380 retrofit timeline and future. The full program for all 8 A380s is scheduled for completion by mid-2027. Lufthansa plans to keep the type flying into the early 2030s, at least 5 years plus, from 2025 statements, continuing its post-pandemic comeback on select high-demand routes despite earlier retirements and network adjustments. These developments show both airlines investing in the A380 amid sustained long-haul travel demand, with upgrades focused on premium experiences while planning eventual phase-outs in the 2030s. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.